University Place is located just up the road from Brooks Stadium on Highway 544 and houses transfers and residents in their second year and above. Campus shuttles run regularly throughout University Place, helping residents reach their campus destination. In this video, we will show you Blue Ridge and Piedmont, which are located at University Place on Residence Boulevard. You may hear CCU students refer to these two communities as the Gray Tops because of their gray roofs. These communities circle a beautiful pond at University Place. The fish don't bite, but it is a pleasant setting for a picnic. The large majority of apartments at Blue Ridge and Piedmont are 4-bedroom. Let's go inside one of the units to show you more. When you enter the apartment, you will walk into the kitchen, dining area, and common area. Each apartment is equipped with a washer and dryer. The kitchen has a full-size refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, stove, oven, garbage disposal, and sink. You just need to bring your dishes, glasses, and eating utensils. In the dining area, you will see a table with chairs. The common area has a sofa or love seat, armchair, and TV stand. High-speed internet access is available in each apartment, so you can stream your favorite shows and connect your laptop and smartphone. Now let's show you one of the bedrooms. The room key you are issued will open the front door and only your assigned bedroom door. Each bedroom is furnished with a full-size bed, desk with chair, and chest of drawers. Also, there is a built-in closet. Each bedroom has its own half bath with a toilet and sink. You will share the shower or tub with one other resident. The residents in bedrooms A and B share one shower room, and residents in C and D share a different shower room on the other side of the apartment. Before we end this tour, we will briefly show you two other apartment types at Blue Ridge and Piedmont. Each building in the Blue Ridge and Piedmont communities also has a 2-bedroom apartment and a 1-bedroom apartment. The 2-bedroom apartment has a very similar setup as we have shown you. The one major difference is each bedroom has a private bathroom, so you will only share the kitchen, common area, and washer-dryer with your roommate. The 1-bedroom apartment has a similar setup, except there is one less bedroom, so you have the whole apartment to yourself. Since there are so few of the 2-bedroom and 1-bedroom apartments, they go fast during room selection. We hope you enjoyed a brief tour of the Blue Ridge and Piedmont communities. For more information, including floor plans, University Place map, and rates, go to coastal.edu/live on campus.